You are using Power BI Desktop to combine two tables called Customer and Contacts via Power Query. The Customer table includes customer name, customer ID, and website. The Contacts table includes contact ID, contact email, contact name, and customer name. Data in the Contacts table is gathered through an unvalidated web form and contains typos and inconsistencies. You need to merge the Customer and Contacts tables. What action should you take? Option A, turn off fuzzy matching. Option B, turn on fuzzy matching. Option C, configure the join type as left outer.
Let's look closely at the concepts involved here. We need to merge two tables where one contains data from an unvalidated source, introducing potential typos and variations in text fields. The core idea is understanding how data preparation tools manage imperfect data during join operations, specifically how similarity algorithms can bridge the gap between slightly different text values across datasets without losing valuable relationship context.
In my view, the correct answer is option B, turn on fuzzy matching. When merging tables where text data comes from an unsanitized web-based form, spelling variations, extra spaces, or minor typos are very likely to occur. Enabling fuzzy matching in Power Query allows Power BI to use similarity algorithms to match rows successfully, even when text values are not completely identical.
Let's discuss why the other options are not appropriate. Disabling fuzzy matching, as suggested in option A, would cause records with minor discrepancies to fail the join entirely, missing important data. Option C, configuring the join type as left outer, determines which rows are retained from the tables based on table position, but it does not resolve underlying text inconsistencies or typos. As a quick exam tip, whenever you see unvalidated data sources with typos in a merging scenario, immediately think of fuzzy matching as the primary solution.